A leaking fridge can be a frustrating issue, particularly when the leak originates from the top shelf. There are several reasons why this may be happening, including a clogged or damaged drain pan, a blockage in the defrost drain, or issues with the water supply. To address these problems, it is necessary to take a few steps. Firstly, the drain pan should be cleared of any blockages or replaced if damaged. This involves turning off the fridge, locating and removing the drain pan, cleaning out any food and dirt, and checking for any damage. If the pan is damaged, it may be necessary to contact a technician for replacement. Additionally, the defrost drain may need to be unclogged. This can be achieved by turning off the fridge, locating the drain, and using a snake to clear any blockages. The drain should then be flushed with warm water to ensure it is fully cleared. To prevent future clogging, regular cleaning of the drain is recommended. Water supply issues can also cause leaks, and these can be addressed by unplugging the fridge, locating the shutoff valve, and closing it if it is open. Any clogs should be removed, and if the water supply line is damaged or torn, it will need to be replaced. If the line is intact, it may be possible to simply leave the fridge unplugged, allowing any ice clogs to melt. Once these steps have been taken, the fridge can be plugged back in and monitored for any further leaks. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to call a technician for assistance. By following these steps, it should be possible to identify and fix the cause of the leak, ensuring the fridge functions properly once again.